Let's see how to insert a video in Google Slides with your mobile. Step 1. To perform this process, you need to uninstall Google Slides apps and Google Drive app. Step 2. Now go to Google Chrome browser. Now you need to launch the desktop site in the browser. Then you can access Google Slides desktop mode. You need to insert a video from YouTube. You can find a video on YouTube by searching the title. After inserting a video, you need to download Google Slides application and Google Drive application. Now you can edit Google Slides with a video.